Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying some Japanese snacks and drinks that I bought while I was out shopping today. So let's get into it. First up, at the top of my pile, I've got some peach flavoured marshmallows. And I noticed a trend when I was buying these that there was quite a few peach flavoured items. I'm struggling to open this and I'm worried it's going to go everywhere. Scissors acquired. There we go. Done. This is basically a little marshmallow. That was actually really nice. I enjoyed that. I'll give that, I'm going to rate them out of 10. I'll give that 10 out of 10. Really enjoyed that. Next up, I'm going to try Hello Panda cocoa biscuits with matcha green tea filling. I feel like I had to get something that was like green tea flavoured. That's what they look like. I feel like you cannot see the panda pattern at all, but let's give it a try. Very quiet taste. It's nice though. I'll give that probably like an 8 out of 10. I did like them. So next, we've got grape and peach flavoured Oreos. And I've got some milk to dunk them in because I'm going to try them dry and dunked to see if it makes a difference. Probably won't. Look, cute little panda on the packet. That's cute. That's what they look like. Oh, they do smell nice. Give it a dunk. Acquired taste again, but it's nice. The grape, I think, comes through very strong, and that's odd, but they're nice. I'll try another one dry after I see what the middle looks like. Pink and green, obviously. Probably give that about a 7 out of 10. And next, I've got these strawberry and, I don't know, it says there, blueberry and raspberry flavoured Oreos. I'm not really a fan of raspberries, but I do like blueberries. But we'll see how they taste together. Oh, another cute little panda on the packet. Oh. Give it a dunk. I like these. I prefer them to the grape ones and peach. Because this taste isn't as strong, but it is very nice. I'm having a look. Ready to that one? Yep. Nice colours inside as well. I think I give these a 9 out of 10 because it is very yummy. I feel like you can't beat a classic original Oreo, but yum. And then last but not least, we've got a Sailor Moon, which I've never actually watched, but I thought this can was cute. Lychee flavoured sparkling water. And I don't know whether I'm going to like this, but I thought I've got to try something lychee flavoured as well. Didn't go everywhere, so let's give it a go. Oh, it smells nice. That's actually quite nice. I just thought it was going to be some awful tasting fruit drink, but I actually like this. And I'm going to keep the can afterwards because it's cute. Probably give that, I don't know, an 8 out of 10. I don't think I'd go out of my way to buy it, and I did sort of let it heat up because it is very hot today, and I did try and put it in the fridge for a bit before filming this, but it didn't really work. So that was all the snacks I bought while I was out. I'm now gonna just make my way through them all and make myself fat. Thank you for watching. Bye!